Ginger for natural hair. Okay. I've seen a lot of reviews. I've seen some videos, a lot of people talking about ginger on hair. I am going to make the juice myself, so I am going to use it for a couple of weeks, then check it out and see the results. I've seen that ginger is really good for natural hair. A lot of people have written a lot about it. Then fine, I love trying out some things. So I am going to try this particular one, ginger on my hair, for 3 weeks and get back to you so that you get to see the results. Is it good for my hair? Is it good for yours? Then we could try it out together. Yeah, okay. So this is my ginger, my spray bottle. This is what I'll use to put the juice after extracting it. So also have my sieve, I have my grater, then a bowl I'll be using, then water. This is the water I use to wash my ginger. So I am set to start. So first of all, take out the peel. Remove everything. You don't even need this outer layer, so just remove it, take it off. Okay, here is it. Okay, time to grate it. Okay, time to extract the juice. I want to extract my juice now. Wow, lovely. Yeah, this is it. Here is it. I'm going to put it into my spray bottle. My spray bottle. Yes, this is it. This is my ginger juice. So my ginger juice is ready. This is it. But I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So I am going to add my essential oil. This is from J Bush Naturals, J Bush Rapid Growth Oil. So I am going to add this to the ginger. I love making use of my oil in every ingredient I use on my hair. So I am going to try this as well. Little of the organic oil. About 2 to 3 drops. Okay. Yeah, the rapid growth oil is combination of 10 organic oils: coconut oil, lavender oil, almond oil, carrot oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, vitamin E, castor oil, tea tree oil, about 10 organic oils. So this is very cool and good for natural hair. All right, talk about ginger. Ginger is very good for natural hair. It stimulates each hair follicle, which promotes healthy hair. It has vitamins and mineral, fatty acid. This contributes to strengthening our hair strands. And it combats hair loss, remember, so it's very good for natural hair. I forgot to even mention that it also restores moisture. So this is very good for our hair. So I'd like to give it a try. So in the next 3 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm going to check out the growth level of my hair. I'm going to check it out and get back to you so we get to see how this thing works. Talk about fatty acid. Like, I'm already seeing some fatty substance here beneath. So okay, good enough. All right.